Synthetic turf takes a beating. From players making repeated contact with the field surface, to years of exposure to sunlight and the elements. Synthetic turf is put to the test every day, whether it's being actively used or not. A well-designed irrigation system is essential to clean and flush the surface, ensure player safety, and maximize the lifespan of the synthetic turf. The ST-1600-KIT from Hunter Industries is the first and only high-powered, fully integrated solution designed to meet the complex needs of synthetic turf irrigation. The kit offers total top access to all irrigation components to simplify maintenance, while keeping the surface intact, playable, and safe. Engineered with a spacious vault system that can be safely installed on the sidelines away from the direct playing area, the ST-1600-KIT is the premium solution for synthetic turf irrigation. The ST-1600-KIT effectively cleans dirt, dust, and debris, and quickly washes the field of fluids left behind by player injuries, sickness, and perspiration. During the hottest time of day, synthetic fields often register high surface temperatures that can cause players to experience burns, overheating, or heat stroke. With the top performance offered by the ST-1600-KIT, fields can be quickly cooled to ensure player safety during high temperatures. The complete kit includes a unique IBS rubber cover with a cupped area for attachment of infill-type synthetic turf, as well as vertical rubber barriers to retain infill material, creating a safe transition when the rotor is retracted. The IBS cover can be trimmed to create a flattened area for attachment of short pile, non-infill turf, or running track material. To simulate concrete, choose the ST-FRP-1600 cover. All four options provide a safe and seamless installation that is virtually undetectable when rotor is retracted. Inside the vault, a robust and reliable manifold features 3-inch galvanized ductile iron components with heavy-duty grooved Victaulic-type fittings. In addition, the vault comfortably holds a high-performance isolation valve, quick coupler valve, and a slow-opening, low-pressure loss control valve that comes with a remotely located on-off auto selector switch and solenoid. The selector switch and solenoid are located near the top of the vault and are easily accessible by removing the quick access port cover. Together, these components help ensure flows of 96 to 326 GPM to the powerful ST-1600 HSB long-range gear-driven rotor. The ST-1600 HSB rotor has a radius of 107 to 165 feet, making it perfect for football fields where smaller radius rotors fall short. With its long-range capability, the rotor is also ideal for extra-wide synthetic turf applications for soccer and field hockey. The best-in-class rotor provides rotation speeds of up to 65 seconds at 180 degrees arc setting, with an operating pressure of 120 psi. The rotation speed can be slowed with a brass adjustment knob located on the side of the rotor. To rapidly cool synthetic turf without interrupting playing time and keep the surface ready for play, install a premium Hunter ST-1600-KIT vault system in the field perimeter. This all-in-one solution is designed to conquer the challenges of synthetic turf irrigation with confidence and ease. Featuring highly durable and dependable components, the ST-1600-KIT system is everything you need to keep synthetic turf fields cool, clean, and playable for years to come.